Hello everyone, welcome to sqadia.com. Today we are going to talk about the blood transfusions. Blood transfusion is a very important and somewhat taboo topic. A lot is written and a lot is known about this, but still there are a lot of confusions. So we'll justify the myths, we'll talk about the confusions, and we'll clear the air about blood transfusions. This lecture has been divided into 5 sections. In the first section, we'll talk about the blood and the various blood products. We'll talk about the processing of blood and how the whole blood is converted into various blood products that are used for various transfusion purposes. In the second section, we'll talk about the indications of blood transfusion. We'll see what are the various indications, what prerequisites are required before transfusing blood, how to transfuse blood, and what is the correct procedure. In the third section, we'll be talking about the blood groups and cross matching. There are 2 blood group systems, the ABO system and the RH system, which are most commonly used. So we'll take a look into these. Then we'll see how the cross matching between various blood samples is done and how do we select what blood type has to be given to another person. In the last section, we'll be talking about the complications of blood transfusion. We'll see what these complications are, how and why do they develop, and how are they being managed. I hope you're excited about today's lecture because today's lecture is as practical as we can get. For further such lectures, keep watching sqadia.com.